If your OneDrive's been crashing ever since you installed the Windows 10 update labeled KB5018410, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix OneDrive crashes caused by this patch. By the end of this video, your OneDrive should be syncing smoothly again, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and hassle. Let's jump right in. The main trick here is to reset the OneDrive Sync app. Sometimes, after a major Windows update like KB5018410, cache files within OneDrive become corrupted or outdated, kind of like when a closet gets so messy that you can't find anything inside. Resetting the app basically gives it a fresh start without deleting your files. To begin, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard at the same time. This brings up the Run dialog, a tiny window where you can type commands. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's a built-in Windows tool meant exactly for moments like this. Now, with the Run box open, copy and paste this command. %local app data %/Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive.exe /reset. I'll put it on the screen for you as well. %local app data %/Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive exe reset. Don't let all those slashes scare you, just make sure there are no typos. Whenever you're ready, press enter. After hitting enter, you won't see any dramatic fireworks. But what's happening in the background is that OneDrive is quickly clearing its old cache and refreshing all its background connections. Sometimes it can take a minute or two for OneDrive to fully reset, so just be patient here. You might see the little cloud icon in your system tray disappear and then hopefully reappear after a moment. But what if you get a message saying Windows cannot find OneDrive exe? If that pops up, don't panic. It simply means your OneDrive app is installed in a different folder. You can try running a second command. This time paste C/program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive exe reset into that same run box and hit enter again. Think of it like checking a different drawer if what you're looking for isn't where you first expected. This often does the trick on systems with slightly different setups. After you've run the reset, OneDrive should ideally restart itself and its icon will show back up near your clock in the taskbar. But sometimes it needs an extra nudge. If you don't see it after a minute or two, go ahead and start it manually. Just click the Start menu, type OneDrive, and select the app when you see it. That's like rebooting your phone if it freezes. Sometimes things just need a prompt. Once you've reset OneDrive and relaunched it, watch for that cloud icon. If it lights up without error messages, you should be good to go. Any sync errors or crashes triggered by that Windows patch should be cleared out. If you still see issues, you might want to quickly restart your computer as a final step. And that's it. A quick reset like this often resolves mysterious OneDrive crashes after updates, saving you from having to dig deep into the back end of Windows or worry about your files. I hope this helped you get back on track. If you found this walkthrough useful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. If you're still having trouble, drop your question down in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more fast, clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.